Let us introduce to you our local and our international entrepreneurs. First, we have Henry C. was a local Filipino businessman and the founder of SM Investment Corporations, one of the largest conglomerates in the Philippines. While Jacob Arabo, on the other hand, is an international renowned Uzbek-American jeweler and a businessman known for his luxury brand Jacob & Co.
Henry C., a prominent Filipino businessman, faced a challenging early life as a poor immigrant from China, where he and his family ran a small sari-sari store that was destroyed during World War II. Despite these hardships, he preserved and built a massive retail empire, most notably known for SM malls. Through hard work, strategic business decisions, and a focus on customer service, ultimately becoming one of the wealthiest individuals in the Philippines. His story is considered a classic rags to riches narrative. Key points about Henry's life and struggles. Early life and immigration. Born in China's C moved to the Philippines at age 12 to join his father, who ran a small store in Manila. World War II impact. During the Japanese occupation, his family store was destroyed, forcing his father to return to China, while C chose to stay in the Philippines.
Shoe business beginnings. Seeing an opportunity in post-war Manila, C started selling surplus GI boots, which eventually led to the opening of his first shoe store, Shoe Mart. Overcome challenges. Early on, C faced difficulties like limited capital, navigating a new market, and establishing credit. Expansion into malls. Recognizing the potential of large-scale retail, C ventured into building shopping malls starting with SM City, North EDSA, which became a landmark in the Philippines. Business philosophy. C was known for his emphasis on customer service, long-term vision, and building a strong company culture. Philanthropy. Through the SM Foundation, C actively engaged in charitable initiatives contributing to various social causes.
Jacob Arabo, the founder of Jacob & Co., overcome challenges to become a successful jeweler and a watch designer.
Born in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, in 1965 immigrated to New York City with his family at age of 14, dropped out of high school at age of 16 to enroll in a jewelry making coursework at a wholesale jewelry factory for $125 per week. Starting his own business, opened a small in the Parkland Jewelry Exchange in the New York City. He started his own company, Diamond, in 1986, named his company Jacob & Co. Challenges face rejection from a Swiss watch supplier faced challenges. In the early days of Jacob & Co., success became known as Jacob the Jeweler. Popularity with celebrities, athletes, and perform partner with brands like Bugatti, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Lionel Messi. New for his innovative designs, including the 5 time zone watch and Quinity Legacy. His son, Benjamin Arabov, is the CEO of Jacob & Co.